Hi, I'm Nick Vacco, the founder of the Detail Czar Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. I'm here with a student of mine, Jake Knight. He's a junior at one of the local high schools, and he's taking up auto body tech. And he decided to come to our training this past weekend. So, Jake, you're a junior in high school, as I mentioned. And why did you decide to take up auto body tech?
I decided to take auto body because I like being around cars, trucks, anything with a motor and wheels or a drivetrain. I like being around.
What are some of the things that you've learned so far at the auto body tech?
I've learned how to MIG weld. I've learned how to air spray, uh, paint correct with an actual paint gun, and that's about it so far.
So, what out of what you've learned so far, what have you liked so far?
Um,
Out of those things.
I really like painting, like the spraying.
Excellent.
That's probably my favorite part about
Yeah,
tech.
there's a lot of cars that need painted these days, especially if they're not taken care of,
Oh
right?
yeah,
Yeah. So, now obviously you were here this weekend, learning paint correction, ceramic coatings, interior cleaning and detailing. What? Why did you decide that you wanted to actually get involved with auto detailing too?
well, since I'm an auto body technician at Tech, wanted to come here to eventually own my own detailing business one day, and detailing is part of auto body.
Sure.
So I wanted to be in more in depth almost.
You know, I've been doing this like 41 years, right? And I've had a lot of good associations with auto body shops because they always for years sent me business because, and don't take this wrong, but typically auto body technicians aren't good detailers. They know
Yeah,
how to fix the collisions, they know how to paint, they do a great job with painting, but when it comes to detailing, professional detailers are actually the ones to go to. So actually, that's a good compliment for you because you like auto body, you like painting, okay, and now you also like detailing. So you're going to have actually the best of both worlds.
absolutely. Yeah.
What? So you, after you graduate, what, another year and a half or so? You're a junior now. Are you planning on going to college?
No, I'm not going to college. I want to eventually own my own detailing business.
Sure, and that's I think what my understanding is a lot of the younger people these days that are juniors, seniors in high school, and they're not going the college route anymore.
No,
Okay, and I know there's is having a skill like auto body and auto detailing. Actually, you can basically write your own, control your own future. I mean, every car on the road today needs some type of appearance work.
absolutely. Yeah.
The average cost of a used car that they sell at the dealerships is 40 grand. The average cost of a new car these days is $50,000, and people are holding on to their cars a lot longer today. So it's a great opportunity for you.
Absolutely.
What what did you learn this weekend that really stood out?
What really stood out to me was the buffing, how you go in depth about that, and the ceramic coating.
So you worked on the blue Tesla, and the paint was full of swirls and imperfections.
Correct.
Looks like it was been through a war. And you actually used compounding, so you compounded it, okay, and then you polished it, okay. You made sure all the polish was out of the nooks and crannies and the emblems and everything. And then after you were done compounding and polishing, what'd you do?
Ceramic coating.
Ceramic
Yeah.
coating, yeah, yeah. So I mean, there's not too many people that know how to do ceramic coatings these days,
Yeah.
and obviously you felt that you really like doing that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So you
Ceramic
feel
coating was probably the best part of the whole thing.
what did you like the most about it?
Um, it's not as fast paced as buffing. You don't have to constantly be moving. You can kind of work on your section, wait for it to dry, and then move on to your next one.
Sure, in the paint,
And the paint also that
yeah, yeah.
comes out beautifully.
Because I know yesterday you ceramic coated most of the vehicle. Today you came in and did some other touched up some areas, and then you saw pretty much the glow of that vehicle in the morning after it sat overnight in our training studio. It's
Ab-
amazing how that paint looked.
Absolutely, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So that's something that you feel that you want to continue with.
absolutely.
What about today was the interior day mainly? We had a really dirty Toyota Camry. Uh, Interior was really dirty, and you followed the steps and procedures. You had a good trainer with our senior trainer Chris. What did you think of that?
I like the interior. I didn't like it as much as the
Sure.
exteriors, but I liked it. It was good.
Yeah. So that gave you a sense of accomplishment.
Absolutely.
So do you
Yeah.
think you could make some money on cleaning and detailing
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
interiors too? So overall, what would you think? What do you think about the program?
I loved that. I liked how hands-on it was, and also the one-on-one connection you get, the personal training.
Sure. And that's a lot different than a lot of the other training seminars that are out there these days where they take 10, 15, 20 students. We take 1 to 2 students a class. We do it 3 weekends a month, and I think the one-on-one's important.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, you did a great job, man. You've earned our
Thank you.
certification, and we hope to see you in the future again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.